Okay, welcome back to the show where me and my mom fixes the strings in your clothes. Today we're going to have a look at shorts. For shorts, sometimes you will see they have these iron rings around them. You can find that on all types of clothing really, but that makes it a lot more difficult to put in the needles. So in this circumstance we're going to have to go with a small one. So it does create some problems in that these small thin needles, they bend a lot easier than the thick ones will. As you can see, the thickness in the metal here is very different. But we will make do. So what we're going to do is that we're going to take one end of our strings here, and we're going to take the safety pin and we're going to pull it through the end, like so. And from here we're going to take our shorts and we're going to put the safety pin and the end through together, like this. So through the opening here. And we're going to start pulling the needle forward, and we're going to start pulling the safety pin forward here. And we need to be extra careful here with these thin little needles as they tend to open up very easily. So just take your time with this. It may take a minute or so to pull it all the way through your shorts there. One thing to note is that if they do open, you need to stop right away because it's very easy to make it stuck in the fabric and then you have a huge problem afterwards. In that circumstance, if you can't close it back up before you move it, it's better to just pull it out, start over again from the start. So let me just speed up here as we pull it all the way through to the other side. Alright, so just keep pulling it. If you encounter any seams or any problems like that, try to just push it up to one of the edges, like to the top or to the bottom. This swimming pants had a big seam. My mom left in the meanwhile, and we now have a cat here, by the way. Forgot to mention, her name is Diva. She's quite a wild cat. So once we made it to the end of the other side here, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna push the safety pin all the way out the opening here. Now the trick here is to make sure that it doesn't open. This can be a problem. And yeah, just pull it and pull the string as far as you need it. And then from here, a really easy fix to avoid this problem in the future is to tie a little knot here at the end. Or you can do like we did in the pants video. Another little trick there is to sew a stitch in the back. And yeah, for now, let's say thank you for watching this video series, and thank you to my mom for helping out, and yeah, see you next time.